Hey, Sensei Gilliland here with Black Belt Investors, and I'm on the Ultimate Investor Tour Cleveland. And we're going to be taking a look at this house that I'm rehabbing. With that, we've got investors coming from New York, Texas, California, and even some people directly straight from Cleveland. They're looking for investment opportunities. So if you're seeking to buy strong rental properties in good neighborhoods and good houses that are extremely affordable, that produce a large cash flow, great cap rate, cash on cash return, residual money every single month, and with the frosting on top of appreciation, then Cleveland is going to be the destination for you. So join us on our next tour to Cleveland, Ohio, through Black Belt Investors, the Ultimate Real Estate Investors Tour.